Hi guys, welcome back. Good afternoon, guys. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle. On this Sunday. I've already solved in this additional 3 puzzles in yesterday's newspaper. Yes, Saturday, September the 2nd, 2023. Already solved the 3 stars, the 4 stars, and the binary. So 1 puzzle is left. It's the Jigsaw Sudoku, yeah. Jigsaw Sudoku number 7033. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one. 16. Should be an easy one. Because the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has a double double those numbers. But it's indicated with 4 stars, and for 4 stars puzzle I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. 30 minutes or more. Is this really 4 stars? We don't know, we will see. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. Well, there aren't any single boxes. I see here 2 dual boxes. That's the next question. The dual box contains the 1 and the 2. Well, this box can be a 2. So 2 should be here and a 1 goes there. Yeah, also a 1 and a 2. Well, this box can be a 2. So the 2 should be here and a 1 goes there. More dual boxes? No. Triple boxes then. Do we have triple boxes in this puzzle? No triple boxes here. I see here quadra box contains the 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4. Well, the 1 and the 2, let me mark those 2 boxes. Do not know in which order. More quadra boxes? No. Then my following strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. And the first shape that you need to recognize is, how about this shape? Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright. Do you have more of these kind of shapes? Let me check. No, only 1 of this kind. Then the following shape, how about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. And you see this kind of shape. Remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of this kind of shape? Yeah, this one is rotated. This box has the same number as that box. Here another one. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1 here. Okay. Here another one upside down. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 2. Alright. Here another one. Rotated. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 5. And this one is connected with that box. Should be also 5. Alright. Then the following shape. The last shape, I believe. The L shape upside down. The L shape, let me draw this here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3. 3 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum are 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 3 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is, why you need to recognize those shapes? Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. I've marked those 2 boxes with 1 and a 2. We have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, 1 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be there. These 2 boxes can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Should be there. So 2 numbers left in this area for us, 3 and the 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Alright. These 2 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this W area shape. Should be there. These 2 boxes can be 2. That box can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Should be here. These 2 boxes can be 3. That box can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area. L-shaped area should be there. I think this box should be a 5. Because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely 5. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 5. Okay. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 1 and 4. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 4 goes there. This box can be a 1, that box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 5. Let me mark those 2 and the 5. 2 and the 5. These 2 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this W area shape should be there. These 3 boxes surround the 3 can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 2. That box can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. Those 2 boxes can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Alright, that means we have a double 1 here. That means that these 2 boxes can be a 1 because we have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So these 2 boxes can be a 1, but also that box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Alright. This box can be a 3. We have a double 3 there. If I place the 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 3 could be here, could be there. Alright, these 2 boxes can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Alright. Yeah. That means that this box cannot be a 1. We have a double 1 there. That box can be a 1. So 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. That means that this box cannot be a 2 because we have double 2 there. So the 2 in this W area shape should be here or there. That means that this box cannot be a 2 because we have double 2 there. So the 2 goes together with the 3 as a pair. So 1 that is left in this cross area for number 4. These 2 boxes can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this W area shape should be there. These 2 boxes can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 2 and the 3, 2 and the 3, okay. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 4, 3 and the 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there, 4 should be here, 3 goes there. Now we have a 3 there. So this box can be 3 and more, that box should be a 3. This box should be a 2. 2 and a 3, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. Alright. I marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 2. We have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2. And I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. Alright. Okay, 1, 2. I think this box should be a 3 because it cannot be a 1. Can it be 2? Should be a 3. Can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. 2 numbers left in this area. 4 numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5. We have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here and a 5 goes. And then Alright, 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 45. 45. Alright. This box can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Now we have a double 4 there. That means that this box can't be 4 anymore. If I place 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those two boxes. So the 4 is supposed to be here, and the 5 goes there. These two boxes can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this area. 4 numbers 4 and a 2. 4 and a 2. Now we have a 5 there, so this box can be 5 and more. That box should be 5, and this box should be 2. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 and more. That box should be 2, and this box should be a 4. Okay. I think this box should be a 5, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. These two boxes can be 2, so the 2 goes together with the 1 as a pair, so the other pair in this area should be the numbers 3 and the 4. We have a 3 there, no 3 there, 3 should be here, and a 4 it goes there. I think this box should be a 2, because it can be 1, should be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2. This box should be a 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and a 5. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. These two boxes can be 2. That box can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Should be there. This box can be a 5, because we have a double 5 there. If I place a 5 here, I can fill any 5 in one of those two boxes. But also that box can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Should be there. 2 numbers left for numbers 1 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 1 goes there. I think this box should be a 5, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. Okay, I think this box should be a 3, because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. So 2 numbers left for numbers 1 and 4. 1 and a 4, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Alright, I think this box should be a 2, because give me 1, should be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. These two boxes can be 2, so the 2 goes together with the 1 as a pair. So the other pair in this area should be the numbers 3 and the 4. 3 and the 4, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Alright, I think this box should be a 4, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely 4. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Alright, I think this box should be a 4, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2. This box should be a 1. Finishing 13 minutes. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. 2 stars, no. Let me give this a 1 star. I'm faster than 50 minutes, so it should be a 1 star. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll meet again in the evening with the Samurai Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.